If you love fixing cars or just want to make your auto repairs faster and smoother, then you're in for a real treat. Today, we're diving into 20 brand new automotive tools that are absolute game changers. From smart diagnostic gadgets to powerful repair tools, these innovations will make every job feel effortless. So stay tuned till the end. You won't believe what tool number 20 can do. Number 1. Cordless Brushless Half-Inch Impact Wrench Kit. Tackle tough bolts with ease using the Cordless Brushless Half-Inch Impact Wrench Kit. Delivering high torque power with its efficient brushless motor, it removes stubborn nuts effortlessly while saving battery life. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and variable speed control ensures precision on every job. Compact and durable, it's perfect for automotive repairs, tire changes, and heavy-duty maintenance work. A must-have tool that combines power, performance, and portability. Number 2. 1/4-inch Dual Direction Precision Torque Wrench. The 1/4-inch Dual Direction Precision Torque Wrench is built for accuracy and reliability. Designed for both clockwise and counterclockwise measurements, it's perfect for precision work on small engines or delicate components. The clear digital readout and audible click alert guarantee consistent torque settings. Lightweight yet rugged, it ensures flawless tightening without stripping bolts. Ideal for professional mechanics or hobbyists who demand precision in every turn, this torque wrench takes accuracy to a new level. Number 3. Blackline 24x36 Microfiber Car Drying Towel. Dry your car quickly and scratch-free with the Blackline Microfiber Car Drying Towel. Measuring 24x36 inches, it's ultra-absorbent, soft, and lint-free, perfect for achieving that spotless shine after every wash. Its dual-layer design soaks up water efficiently without leaving streaks or swirl marks. Durable and machine washable, it's the ideal towel for detailing professionals or car lovers who value a flawless finish. Reliable, reusable, and gentle on paint, it's detailing perfection in a towel. Number 4. OBD2 Heads-Up Display Gauge P21. Stay informed on your car's performance with the OBD2 Heads-Up Display Gauge P21. It projects key data like speed, RPM, and temperature directly onto your windshield for easy viewing while driving. The bright, adjustable display ensures visibility day or night, while plug-and-play setup makes installation effortless. Perfect for monitoring performance or enhancing safety, this HUD keeps vital information in your line of sight, allowing you to drive smarter and more confidently. Number 5. AstroAI S8 Car Jump Starter and Tire Inflator. The AstroAI S8 is the ultimate emergency tool, combining a powerful jump starter and a fast tire inflator in one compact device. Capable of jump-starting most vehicles and inflating tires up to 150 psi, it's perfect for roadside emergencies. The built-in LED flashlight and USB ports add extra convenience for night use or charging devices. Portable and reliable, this all-in-one tool ensures you're always prepared for the unexpected on the road. Number 6. Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Kit. The Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Kit makes every fastening job faster and easier. Featuring a smooth ratcheting mechanism and a magnetic tip, it securely holds screws in place, even in tight spots. With multiple interchangeable bits, it's ideal for automotive work, electronics, and home repairs. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long use, while the durable construction promises lasting performance. Compact and efficient, it's the go-to screwdriver kit for every mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Number 7. 328-piece household tool set with case. Be ready for any repair with this 328-piece household tool set. Packed with wrenches, pliers, sockets, and more, it covers everything from car maintenance to home projects. Each tool is made from high-strength steel for long-lasting durability. The molded storage case keeps tools neatly organized and easy to carry. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this comprehensive kit ensures you have the right tool for every task, big or small. Number 8. Fanttik F2 Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The Fanttik F2 2 Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is perfect for precision work and small repairs. With multiple speed settings and interchangeable bits, it handles polishing, sanding, grinding, and engraving effortlessly. The compact cordless design offers excellent control in tight spaces, while the rechargeable battery ensures convenience on the go. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, this rotary tool is ideal for car detailing, crafts, and fine mechanical work. Compact power in your hand. Number 9. 255-piece cordless drill and tool set. Get the job done anywhere with this 255-piece cordless drill and tool set. The high-torque drill handles everything from metal to wood, while the extensive accessory collection covers every repair need. The rechargeable battery delivers long-lasting power, and the ergonomic grip enhances comfort. Organized in a sturdy case, it's perfect for home, garage, or workshop use. A complete toolkit that combines performance, versatility, and convenience in one package. For number 10. VEVOR Rolling Garage Mechanic Stool. Work comfortably with the VEVOR Rolling Garage Mechanic Stool. Its cushioned seat supports long hours of repair work, while the sturdy steel frame holds up to heavy weight. The built-in storage tray keeps your tools within reach, and smooth rolling casters provide easy mobility. Perfect for detailing, tire work, or undercarriage repairs, this stool enhances comfort and efficiency in the garage. Built tough for daily use, it's every mechanic's favorite seat. Number 11. 199-piece home and car tool set. Handle any repair confidently with this 199-piece home and car tool set. From pliers and sockets to precision screwdrivers, every tool is crafted from high-grade steel for reliability and strength. The compact case ensures everything stays organized and portable. Ideal for car maintenance, home fixes, or emergency repairs, it's a well-rounded kit that provides all the essentials in one durable, easy-to-carry package. Number 12. 10-piece hook and pick automotive tool set. The 10-piece hook and pick automotive tool set is perfect for removing seals, O-rings, and clips with ease. Each tool features hardened steel tips and comfortable rubber grips for precise control. Whether you're cleaning connectors or handling tight spaces, these tools provide flexibility and accuracy. Ideal for mechanics or DIY car enthusiasts, this set is small but mighty, making tedious jobs faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Number 13. Universal OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. Easily identify vehicle issues with the Universal OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. Plug it into your car's port to read error codes, clear faults, and view real-time performance data. Compatible with most vehicles, it's a powerful tool for preventing costly repairs. The simple interface makes it beginner-friendly, while the compact design fits easily in your glove box. Reliable, accurate, and quick, this scanner helps you take control of your car's health effortlessly. Number 14. Performance Tool 16-quart oil drain container. Make oil changes mess-free with the Performance Tool 16-quart oil drain container. Its large capacity and sturdy construction handle even big jobs with ease. The built-in spout allows for clean pouring and storage, while the low-profile design slides under vehicles effortlessly. Durable and leak-resistant, it's ideal for garages, workshops, or home mechanics. This simple yet essential tool makes routine maintenance cleaner, faster, and more efficient. Number 15. Broken spark plug removal tool. Removing broken spark plugs can be tricky, but this specialized removal tool makes it easy. Designed with precision threading and durable steel construction, it grips securely without damaging the cylinder head. Compatible with most engines, it's perfect for professional or DIY repairs. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this tool saves time, frustration, and money on tough engine maintenance jobs. Every mechanic needs one in their kit. Number 16. Ford Mach E-Jack Pads and Tire Tool Kit. Protect your vehicle while changing tires with the Ford Mach E-Jack Pads and Tire Tool Kit. These custom-fit pads prevent frame damage during lifting, while the included tire tools make replacements quick and safe. Made from durable rubber and steel, the set ensures stability and precision. Ideal for Mach E owners or garage pros, it's the perfect combination of protection and functionality for effortless tire maintenance. Number 17. 2025 Handheld High Pressure Steam Cleaner. Clean and sanitize your car's interior with the 2025 Handheld High Pressure Steam Cleaner. It blasts away grease, stains, and dirt using hot steam. No harsh chemicals required. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for upholstery, dashboards, and engines. The long nozzle reaches tight spots, while the fast heat-up system delivers powerful cleaning in minutes. Eco-friendly, efficient, and easy to use, it's a must-have tool for spotless detailing. Number 18. HyperVac 2-in-1 Corded and Cordless Car Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with the HyperVac 2-in-1 Corded and Cordless Car Vacuum. Offering strong suction power and dual modes, it easily handles dust, debris, and pet hair. The cordless feature adds portability, while the corded option provides unlimited runtime. With multiple attachments and a washable filter, this vacuum is perfect for thorough interior cleaning. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for every driver. Number 19. Dewalt 20-volt Max Compatible 160 PSI Tire Inflator. The Dewalt 20-volt Max Tire Inflator delivers powerful, accurate inflation up to 160 PSI. Compatible with Dewalt's 20-volt battery system, it's portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The digital gauge ensures precision, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation. Compact yet rugged, it's perfect for tires, sports gear, or inflatables. Reliable performance backed by a trusted brand. Number 20. eSamCore Adjustable Cup Holder. Tablet, mount, transform your car into a mobile workstation with the eSamCore Adjustable Cup Holder Tablet Mount. Designed to fit most cup holders, it securely holds tablets or phones for hands-free navigation, entertainment, or work. The flexible gooseneck and 360-degree rotation offer perfect viewing angles. Sturdy, stable, and easy to install, this mount is ideal for long drives, road trips, or rideshare drivers who value convenience and safety on the road. And that's all for these 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that make work effortless. From precision wrenches to smart inflators, each tool is designed to save time, boost efficiency, and make every garage project smoother than ever.